All right, I actually have a caller, and let me check and see who this is. Caller, you're on the air.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Okay, that was a pretty annoying caller. Hopefully I don't get many of those. You know, somebody that takes the time to act like a child and call in on the show, you know, I don't have any time for it. So please don't get, you know, if you're going to call in, please call in to talk basketball. Don't call in to say what is the most annoying sound and then quote Dumb and Dumber. I mean, that just makes you look stupid and immature. So, and it ruins the show. Anyway, I don't want to go off topic on that. Going back to the NBA 2K Insider,